How to pay for Spotify Premium with debit card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Spotify, into your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the top left corner, and then move into your premium. In this page, click on Manage, and then select Explore Plans. Click on Change Plan. Select the specific plan that you want to use, and then click on Update in the payment section. Tons of different payment methods will be visible to you. If you want to use debit card, then click on Credit or Debit Card, and then simply enter the information of your card. Enter the card number, expiry date, and security code as well. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Confirm, and after that, your amount will be paid with the help of your debit card, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.